In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Sysinfo-L1-2-1.Dll error in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue that can occur on Windows systems, and it usually happens due to a missing or corrupted file that is often linked to the Visual C++ redistributable packages. Don't worry, solving this problem is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft website. Here, you'll need to locate the Visual C++ redistributable package for various versions of Visual Studio, specifically those from 2015 through 2022. These packages contain essential libraries that many apps and games rely on, and sometimes they don't get installed correctly, leading to missing DLL errors. Once you're on the download page, you'll see different versions available. You should download the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. Make sure you are downloading the version that corresponds to your system's architecture. Now, you need to select the correct file for your system. If you're not sure whether your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, you can easily check by going to the System Settings. On Windows 10, right-click on the This PC icon on your desktop or in File Explorer, then select Properties. Under System Type, you should see either 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. If you have a 64-bit version of Windows, proceed to download the vc2redist.sh64.exe file. For 32-bit systems, you'll need the vc-redist.x86.exe file. Choosing the correct version is crucial for the installation to function properly, so take a moment to ensure you're selecting the appropriate one for your system. After downloading the installer, navigate to the folder where the file has been saved and double-click to run it. A setup wizard will appear on your screen. It's important to read through the license terms and conditions, and once you've done that, click I agree to proceed. You can then click the Install button to begin the installation process. The installation might take a few moments, and you'll typically see a progress bar indicating how far along the process is. Once the installation is complete, it's time for the final and essential step, restarting your computer. Restarting helps finalize the installation and ensures that all new system configurations take effect. And there you have it. Your computer should now be free from the Api-Ms-Win-Core-Sysinfo-L1-2-1.Dll error, and any previously affected applications should run smoothly. If you still encounter any issues, it may be worth revisiting the steps to ensure each part was carried out accurately. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped resolve your issue effectively.